Hi boys and girls, today we're going to continue practicing mixed addition and subtraction problems so that when you get to first grade and you see these mixed problems, you'll know what to do because you'll know which sign to look for. So I have my green marker here and this is going to be my Gus the plus side. And then I have my minus the minus marker, which is going to be subtraction, and that is purple. So whenever you see a green, we must know that that means addition. Whenever you see subtraction, that must be the subtraction sign. That must be that we're subtracting. So let's pay very close attention. All right, our first problem is going to be 3 plus 1 equals. All right, well, I am doing this. I also want you to do this problem with me. So if you need to get a piece of paper and something to write with, now is the time to do that. So when we solve this problem, remember, plus ones are really easy because it's always one more than the first one. If you know that, great, write it. If you still need to draw your circles, draw your circles. So remember, when we're using Gus the plus, that means we want more. So each number needs to get a circle. So we have 1, 2, 3, and then 1. And then we add them together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So my answer is 4. All right, let's do the next problem. Next we have 4. Oh no, what sign is that? Is that Gus the plus or Linus the minus? If you guess Linus the minus, you're correct. We have our subtraction. That means we're taking away. Linus the minus came and he's taking away 2 from our 4. So remember, when we're doing subtraction, we only draw a picture for our first number, for the big number. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then Linus the minus takes away 2 from us, so he leaves us with 2, right? Good job, boys and girls. Let's do a couple more. Let's do 6 minus 4 equals. What's our sign here? Linus the minus, so that means we're subtracting. Our big number is 6, so we have to draw 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and Linus the minus comes and takes away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. He leaves us with 2. All right, let's do one more. So now we have, let's do 5 plus 5. Ooh, this one should be an easy one. A lot of people should know this one. We practice this a lot in school. Now remember, it's addition, so we're adding these two numbers together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We add these together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, boys and girls. I hope this was easy for you. You can continue practicing problems like this at home. You can have someone mix up addition and subtraction problems for you to practice. You can also practice this on IXL, and you can also practice this with note cards. So I don't have note cards with me, so I'm just going to use just blank pieces of paper that I'm going to tear off from my notebook. You can really use anything to help you make some note cards. So I am going to make +2 and -2 note cards to help me with subtraction and addition. So I'm going to do some +2 addition problems now. So I have 3 +2. I have 4 +2. And you can make note cards off of the addition problems that you know you're having a hard time with. So like 7 +2, that's a big number. We might have a hard time with that one. So now that I have the problems written here, I'm going to flip them over and I'm going to write the correct answer. So I have 4 +2. And you can draw your picture here to help you solve it to get the answer. So I have 4 + 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's my answer. So when I'm doing my note cards, I could go 4 plus 2. 6. I'm right. And here's my picture to show that. So now I'd go on to the next one. 3 plus 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's my next note card. 7 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. 7, 8, 9. There's my next note card. Now I'm going to do it for Gus the Plus. So then I can mix my note cards up so that I can get extra practice with looking at that middle sign to see what the problem's asking me to do. Now remember, I'm doing -2 problems. So I can do 3 minus 2. 1, 2, 3 minus 2 leaves me with 1. And then I could do 2 minus 1. Oh, we're doing -2 problems. Look at that. I caught my mistake. That's okay. As long as we catch our mistake. 2 minus 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 0. And then my last problem, we can do 6 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now I have my note cards. So now what I can do is I can mix them up. Now remember, you can make as many as you want. If you want to do everything, all the -2s and all the +2s, you can go ahead. So now that I have my note cards, now I can practice. 7 minus 2. So we have 7. Gus the Plus, that means I'm adding more. 7, 8, 9. I'm right. Ooh, 3 minus 2. So I'm subtracting here. Good thing I didn't get confused and thought I was adding because I was adding on my last problem. This problem I'm subtracting. 3 minus 2. So that means I have 3. Gus the Plus came and took 2 away from me. I can use my fingers to help also. I have 3. Gus the Plus took 2. He left me with 1. Am I right? Yeah, I'm right. 3 plus 2. Oh, here's Gus the Plus again. I'm adding 3, 4, 5. I'm right. All right, boys and girls, so you see how to do this? Super easy and super helpful for practicing addition and subtraction. Try and do this on your own. Good luck.